How I installed electrics on my shed. We are going for a very simple setup, just a couple of sockets. I treat the shed as an outdoor space. I like everything to be watertight. So we're going to be using outdoor plug sockets, just like we see on the outside of the house. The first thing we need to do is dig a trench from the house to the shed. I'm going down like 50 cms deep, just to be safe. It's a bit over the top, but I don't want to ever accidentally dig it up, or anyone else in the future. While I'm doing this, I'm also going to add a few slabs in front of the shed. The ground is a bit boggy, so I'm building a sort of a miniature foundation with bricks to support these. We are also digging underneath the path by the house, so this slab needs to come up. You of course will need to be using armored cable, and for added protection I'm using some perforated pipe around it, but you don't need to do this. We will drill from the outside of the house to the inside. This will prevent the bricks on the outside from getting blown out. Also, this is made easier by the fact that the fuse box, or consumer unit, is in the garage. There are extra spaces on the consumer unit, so the electrics for the shed can go on its own circuit. This is really handy, as if the electrics for the shed trip out, it won't affect the rest of the house. Feed the armored cable through the hole and into the garage. Then connect the wiring to the consumer unit. Connect the sockets to the inside of the shed and wire these up. At this point, test everything. The lights in the shed are on a plug. And we can see everything's working fine. Now you'll need to rebury everything and reconcrete in that slab that you dug up. Put some grass seed down on the areas of the lawn that were damaged, and in a couple of weeks it'll look like it's never been dug up. These are the new slabs in front of the shed door. And this is my setup.